Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing an honest 2026 review of DataAnnotation.tech. A lot of people are asking, is DataAnnotation.tech legit or is it just another online scam? Let's break it all down so you know exactly what to expect before signing up. What is DataAnnotation.tech? DataAnnotation.tech is an online platform that pays users to help train artificial intelligence. Your tasks usually include labeling data, reviewing AI responses, rating text, or improving prompts. Basically, you are helping AI systems become smarter and getting paid for it. How does DataAnnotation.tech work? After signing up, you will need to complete a qualification test. If you pass, you gain access to available tasks on your dashboard. Each task pays differently depending on complexity, and you are usually paid per hour or per task. Payments are typically sent through platforms like PayPal. How much can you earn? Earnings vary, but most users report making between $15 to $30 per hour once accepted. However, work availability is not guaranteed, and some users may wait days or weeks for tasks, so it is best treated as a side hustle, not a full time job. Pros and cons. Pros: legit platform with real payments, flexible work from home tasks, no upfront fees to join. Cons: not everyone gets accepted. Task availability can be inconsistent. Support response times can be slow. Is DataAnnotation.tech legit or a scam? Yes, it is a legitimate platform and many users have been paid, but it is not a guaranteed income source, and acceptance isn't automatic. Your experience depends heavily on your skills and task availability. Final verdict: if you are looking for a flexible online side hustle in 2026, DataAnnotation.tech is worth trying, but keep your expectations realistic. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.